Deep breaths is what I need today. A lot of oxygen. I am ready to finally react to Seed of the Night, Kardashev's newest song that they released a few days back, by the time I'm recording this, of their newest record, Alinea, that will drop end of April. I am so not ready for this, and I really, really look forward for this record, and now I look forward for this song. So I suggest we jump straight in and see what Seed of Night is all about. But it will be heavy, will be emotional, it will be Kardashev basically. So here we go, Kardashev, Seed of the Night. Ominous. We finally meet Sky Brother and Atlas.
You are function and form, made to hold the names from before. Those I love live in your bones, guiding you a star in the sky. Pathfinder alive.
Those highs.
Now show your face to the setting sun, and hold each blade of the grass you grow with words you've spoken. Sand from earth and across the stars. Now carve the stone into cities as your guardians are told.
That Aristide guitar is just so beautiful. Wow, his voice is...
The story that I am deciphering, rising up from my memory. On his mind was the earth. You will destroy, and I will become that land.
very proggy. Here we go. Goosebumps coming in. Oh shit. Oh boy. Oh, Nico. My man. Simplicity is key. How? Just how? It's just, every time it's the same thing with these guys. They just know how to touch certain parts in your heart, first of all, with very, let's call it, I will not say little effort, because the song is pretty well written. But simplicity is key, and that's what I like with Kardashev. This record will probably remind me, and obviously it's a continuation of the Almanac. So, and I hear a lot of song structures, and I am so not ready for this record. I am not ready, guys. You should be though, because I highly suggest that you buy also like a physical copy and a vinyl or whatever you can get of these guys, because there's a dictionary or to go with the whole lore where they explore the Alunian language. Also, he sung a bit in Alunian, so I need to check that out the moment I get my copy. Obviously, I buy some merch. You have to buy merch. Basically, that's how it works. In the metal scene, we have to support each other. You need to support his band because these guys deliver every freaking time. It's amazing. I have to go through this song more times, probably. And yeah, latest end of April, I will be gone for a while because I'll immerse myself into this sea of beauty and dive into Kardashev full mode, 100% all day. That's on the menu for me, at least. But anyway, that's it for today with this reaction. Next one will be around the corner only, so like and subscribe, put some comments there. Let me know what you think of this song. I'm always speechless with this guy, so I wonder what you guys think of the song. It's definitely something different than Reunion, but it is still 100% Kardashev. Like and subscribe. See you very soon. Cheers, guys.